Yes, good morning, children. Yes, good morning, children. Let us start with our class. The time. Now, so far, what we have learnt in time? So far, what we have learnt in time? Yes, recover. Recap.
Quarter past the hour. Quarter past.
Yes. Quarter past. Quarter past. Now, what is quarter past? What did you learn in quarter past? Huh? Okay, 50 minutes to that. Very good. So, yes, yes, very good. Then, before that, what we learned? Tell no, just recap. Past children, all are practicing to read the time. All are practicing to read the time. Practicing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
How to say the time?
Okay. And what we have learned, AM and PM means? AM means what?
Morning.
Morning,
Morning.
ante-meridian, and PM means post-meridian, that is in the noon. And what are those? What is the two dots which I have told you?
Colon.
Colon, which separates the hours and the minutes. Okay, and quarter past is that is. Okay, how many days are there in a hour? How many hours are there in a hour? How many hours are there in a day?
24 hours.
How many hours are there in a day? 24 hours there in a day. And how many minutes make 1 hour? 60
60
minutes make a,
60
yes,
minutes.
60 minutes make a 1 hour. Very good. Now we have, yes. Now, okay. Now what time? Just once more. Now what is the time?
6 o'clock.
Now what is the time? So quarter past 4. Okay. Don't shout. Wait. Oh, 15. Quarter past. Okay. Okay, so quarter past. That time what we learned is, now what is the time? Quarter past. Yes, quarter past 8. 8:15. What do we say? Quarter past 8. What we call it as? What we learned it as? 35, 40. Okay, so 45. This is now quarter to the next hour. What it is? Quarter to the next hour. In the clock, okay, see the minute hand is pointing at 9. Okay, the minute hand is pointing at 9 and the hour is pointing between 3 and 4. Now what is 3 and 4? Okay, now what is this? What is the time now? 3:45. We say it is quarter to. Yes. See, only 15 minutes. Yes, only 15 minutes is left. Yes, children, listen first. Now, no shouting. Till I ask question to that particular child. That time only you answer. Everyone, no shouting. Understood, all of you? I will call the name and that children will answer. All together, don't shout. Nobody is understanding what answer you are giving, and nor I am understanding. Okay? I will call out the names. Whoever is visible here. Okay. Now, quarter. Now, who said someone? 3:45. 3:45. How it is? It is past half, and it is now quarter to the next hour. This is quarter past. The 15 is quarter past. That time, that hour, 8 past 15. 8:15 means it is past quarter past 8. Now, 45. Whenever the minute, in the simple terms, I will tell you. Whenever the minute is at 9. Now 9, when the long hand, that is minute hand, it is coming at 9. So what that minute is? 45. What that minute is? 45. You can see no. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Okay. So whenever you see the big long hand, that is minute hand, is at 9, and the hour hand, that is short hand, will be in between. Now it is quarter to. Gadasman, Neeraj, mute your mobile. Mute. So when it is at 9:40, then it is the always the minute hand will be at 9, and the hour hand will be between 3 and 4, between that hour. So it is, now what is this? Quarter to 4. Quarter to 4. Quarter to 4. What it is? Quarter to 4. Quarter to. Understand? Did you understand, all of you? Understood or no?
Yes.
Yes. Now, see. Okay. So, when the minute hand is on 9 and the time is quarter to the next hour. That is next hour. So, it is after 3. What is the next hour is? Now, what is it? It is 4. So, it is quarter to 4. The minute hand is on, always it will be 9, and the time goes to the next hour. Now, for an example, now tell me what is the time? Bihan, Bihan, whenever the minute hand is at time and the hour hand it shows the next hour time, that is to quarter to. Quarter time is left there. Now what is the time now?
5:45.
No, but
1:45.
no. 4:45. So yes, quarter. So only that is quarter time is left to the next hour. It is going to the next hour. It shows the quarter time. So quarter to 5. So again here, if it is now, it is, I will show you. Now what is the time?
Quarter to 7.
No, quarter to 7 it is. Quarter to 8. Only quarter, yes. Quarter, only, yes. See, quarter to 8, it will reach it goes to the next hour, that is 8. Remember until now, one more last time I'm telling you, don't talk now, don't disturb. That when the minute hand is 9, okay, is on 9, okay, the time is quarter to the next hour. Next hour. Now if you see here it is this, it is quarter to 8. Okay, it will come when it see. Then quarter, 50, 55, 60. Now it is 8 o'clock. It is next hour, 8 o'clock. No? Yes. And now it comes to, now 8 o'clock I showed you. Then it comes, if when it comes to, it is quarter past 8. Quarter past 8. Okay. When it comes to 6, it is 8:30. What it is? The time the hour hand also goes in between. Okay, between 8 and 9. 8 and 9. So it is 8:30. We were here. Now let me start with 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Now pay attention. Let us smile. 8 o'clock it is. Right? 8 o'clock children, right? Now it comes to quarter. Yes, quarter. Did I ask you all to told me yes? Quarter past 8. Quarter past 8. 8:20. 8:25. 8:30. 8:30. So the hour hand moves. The hour hand moves. Okay, the hour hand moves. And 35, 45, 40, 45. So the hour hand goes to show. Now when it comes 8:45, it is going to go to the next hour. That is, the time is quarter to means to the next hour. That is 8:45 means quarter to 9. Quarter to 9. We are going for the next hour. Now after 8, which hour comes? Which hour comes? 9. So quarter to 9. Okay. Then 9:50, 45, 50, 55, 60. Now what is the time now? See, 9 o'clock. It goes to, yeah. It's now after quarter past. Adya, wait. Let me complete. All children first listen to me, what I am showing, and I will ask you time, that time you answer me. Is that clear? In between, don't talk. Okay, now it is 9 o'clock. What the time is? What is the time now? 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
Okay, now keep going. 9, 5, 9, 5, 9, 10, 9, 15. Now what it is 9:15? What we are calling? Quarter. What we are calling? Now answer me.
Quarter past
Quarter past 9. What is that? What is that? Yes.
9:50. Quarter past 9:50.
Okay. Quarter. Very good. Quarter past 9. Okay. We say a quarter past 9 means 9:15. Now, see 8 o'clock I completely showed the time. Now 9 o'clock. Then 20, 25, 30. Now what it is? The time is? What is the time is?
9:30.
9:30.
9:30.
Okay. 9:30.
9:30.
9:30. 9:30. Answer done. Now it goes. Now all keep quiet. Or Neeraj. I said keep quiet, Neeraj. 9:35. 40. Okay. 40. 45. Now it is quarter to. Now answer. Quarter to Adya. Adya answer. Only Adya will answer. Quarter to.
Quarter past 10.
No Adya. Wrong. Quarter to.
Quarter to 10.
Quarter to 10. Okay? It is quarter to 10. What we are saying? Quarter to the next star. When it comes the 9. Okay? The minute hand when it comes to the 9, it will that the next hour means quarter to 9. Quarter minutes are there to the next hour. Now it will be quarter to 10, not 9. Because we showed 9 o'clock, 9 past. Okay, 9 past, 9:30. Now, quarter here when it comes to 9, the long hand, it is quarter to 10. What it is? Quarter to the next hour. After 9, what comes? Quarter to 10. Understood? Now I will show you one more time. Okay. Okay, I was there in the 15. Got. Now what is the time?
9 o'clock.
No. Yes, very good. Harusha. Yes. Quarter to 12. Quarter to 12. 11:45. Okay, quarter to 12. Which is going to the next hour. That is, it will be here. Quarter to 12 means it is showing the next hour. When a quarter passes, it comes to the hour. 12 o'clock. Now once more, let me make it clear once more. See, the minute hand will be at 9. And now the time is, tell me what is the time now. 1 minute, I will count the time. Wait. Shh. Wait. Akhil, keep quiet. Aradhya, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me what is the time. What is the time, Aradhya? Fast. Shubhra. Yes, Shubhra.
So 1:45.
Shubhra. Shubhra, answer me. What is the time now?
1:45.
Quarter to What we will say? Quarter to? Quarter to.
Quarter to 10 o'clock.
Very good, Harsha. Only Harsha has got the time. Quarter to 2. We say it quarter 1:45. Yes. But what we are learning is quarter to the next turn. Now quarter to 2. Quarter to 2. Okay. 9:45. Quarter to 2, man. Quarter to 1. Now what is the time? 1:05 it is. Now 1:05 now when it comes to the minute hand at 9 and the next hour is after 1, what is the time now? After 1 hour what it is? Now 1 o'clock, right? Next hour what time it is? Next hour what?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Very good. 2 o'clock. So it is quarter to 2 when it comes the minute hand. Now let me draw here. See the minute hand, which is the long hand, will be at 9. Okay, and the short hand, that is our hand, will be between that number. How I showed you in the 30 here, 30 it goes the our hand here. Now 10 and 11. This is the long hand. Okay, this is the long hand. Here, that when it is the long hand, the minute long hand is a minute hand. It will be at 9, and the hour hand will be between or near to the next star. It is not between, it will be near to near. It won't be exactly at 11. Now it is quarter to 11. How the big this 9, that minute hand, it comes to 9:50, 9:55. Then the hour hand also moves slowly exactly at 11. Now it was quarter to 11. This will be exactly here quarter to 11. See here. It won't be exactly at 11. Little behind I will take. Okay? Can you see? Okay? Then it is called quarter to. Quarter to 11. Quarter to 11. What it is? Quarter to 11. Now, if I make here, it is now between near 12. Near 12, the hour hand I will show. The minute hand will be at 9 only. Now, it is quarter to 12. What will say? What the time is called as? Quarter to 12. Same again. It will be 1 o'clock here. Yes. Now, quarter to 1. Quarter to 1. Again, same. Quarter to 2. Quarter to 2. Because we are going next hour. Yes. Then after 2, the our hand will come near 3. Near 3 and the minute 10, quarter to 3. Understood all of you? Yes. Okay. Exercise 12.3. Yes. Little time you will take to understand this quarter past and quarter to, but how we go on solving and how we go on practicing, you understand. Because today lot of, let me see there. I'll tell you later on. 12.3, page number 139, question number 2. One example is already shown, that is quarter to 2 means 1:45. The next clock is 12. It's here. I will show you 3, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. And the center point here. Okay. The next time is the long hand, that is minute hand, is at 9, and in your book the hour hand, that is small hand, is near at 11. So what is the time you have to write there? What is the time you have to write? Quarter to o'clock. So it is quarter to 11 o'clock means what I will write in minutes? Time 10:40. 10:45. 10:45. Understood? Understood all of you? Quarter to 11 o'clock means 10:45. What it is? 10:45. Got it? Now tell me the next time. Tell me, I will write down next time. Hmm? Very good. Quarter to 5. So, where the minute hand will be? Where the minute hand will be? Minute hand will be at 9. That is long hand, minute hand. Now, where the short hand, that is hour hand will be? Near 5. So, what is the time now? Quarter to 5 o'clock. Quarter to 5 o'clock. So, what should I write here? The time. Very good. 4:45. What should I write there? 4:45. Understood all of you? Then next. Yes. Yes. That is what I told you. Now how we solve, we will go understand now. Now all written. Quarter to 5 o'clock. 4:45. You have to write it this way. Done? Done, children? Now, next are the days. Next, again, I will show you. Here, in D question, the long hand is at, that is minute hand, is at 9 only. Quarter to, the minute hand will be always at 9. And what hour will show? Now, where is the hour hand in D question? Near. It is almost near 12. So what is the time now? Then what should I write here? 11:45. Very good. 11:45. Understood all of you now? Understood? Okay. Now, yes. Turn your page. Turn your page. AM and PM. Okay. I have already explained you what is AM and PM. Antemeridian and AM means antemeridian and PM means post-meridian. Now, you may be, what is this? Before that is noon we write AM, and after noon we write it as PM. But there is one more, that AM and PM we don't write it at the midnight or it's just a hint. But now you may ask now, ma'am, you told me what is AM, antemeridian, and post PM means post meridian. Antemeridian and post meridian, if I tell you, it is occurring. Now if I explain and just give you hint, you won't understand. It is, you will, when you grow up, you will learn again more about time. The time you will learn more about time, and there you will know the latitude, longitude of the earth. there AM and PM? Now if I explain to you also, it is not, you won't understand. Okay, so little hint I would like to give why it is called AM. Why it is called? It is occurring before noon, of relating to the afternoon. Okay, so antebearing goes at 9 o'clock. Compare ante means, that's what is, it's a Latin word. Okay, it is a Latin word before noon. AM means before noon. Understood? Now latitude, longitude, that point comes, the degree, 0 degree. If I explain to you, you will not understand. Only just to give you idea, I told you AM means ante-meridian and PM means post-meridian. Then we write it in the morning before noon, AM, and afternoon we write it as a PM. That much little further. When you go to the next class, to the level, you will learn, when you learn in SST and science, the latitudes and the longitudes, you will learn in SST. So that time you can relate to this mathematics, AM and PM. Now if I teach you also that PM and AM latitude and all, not necessary for you all now. Only you try to understand the time and to read the time. That is our time past, that is quarter past time, half an hour time, and quarter to time. That much you have to learn about the time, the basic to read the time. Okay, did you understand all of you? Okay. Yes. Now in your book, according to book, they have given AM and PM. We know that there are 24 hours in a day, and the hour hand takes 2 rounds by the clock. Okay, 2 rounds. 12 to 12. Again 12 to 12. The 2 that takes by clock, and it makes a 1 day. What it makes? To make 1 day, the hour hand takes 2 rounds by the clock, and it is a 1 day. When it is 12 o'clock at night, okay, when it is 12 o'clock at night, we call it as midnight. What we call it as? Midnight. Okay. And after midnight till 12 noon, the next day we write the time with AM. AM, that is ante-meridian, I told you. Okay. And if we wake up late at night and find the clock at 3 o'clock, it is time at 3 o'clock. After midnight, I told you, our day starts at 12 o'clock. Okay, midnight, 12 o'clock. I told you, when you wake up at night, very night. It is too night. When you wake up and open the door, it is night, but it is 3 o'clock. Okay, the time is 3 o'clock, but it is AM because our midnight, the 12 midnight, our day next day starts then. Okay, so when it is 12 o'clock during the day, that is during now it is day, it is noon. What it is called? Noon time. What it is called? What it is called during 12 o'clock? 12 o'clock at the noon, daytime, it is called noon. And night, what it is called? Midnight. Midnight. Okay. Then, so afternoon till midnight, see afternoon, that is 12 o'clock. Till midnight, 12 o'clock, we write the time as PM. Understood all of you? This is made it clear, but according to the book we follow. Now, exercise 12.4, more we will practice again of the time, hour, past, half an hour and quarter to, again in the tomorrow's class. In tomorrow's class again we will practice the time, because within 1-2 days we will not learn. So, write AM or PM. 12.4, all of you take out, you just wind up with this. I wake up, now wake up at 7. What it will be? You will write AM or PM? AM. You wake up at AM. Okay. I go to school at 7:45. you will write? AM or PM?
AM.
Why you writing?
AM.
Why you writing AM? Why you writing AM?
Morning.
Very good, yeah. Because very good, Rehan. Because we are going morning to school. Are we going at night 7:45?
No.
No. So school what we are going in the morning. So it will be AM. Then I come back from school at 2:30. Now your school will start. You finish your school and you go home. Where? 2:30. So what you will write? PM or AM? PM. Because yes, daytime that is noon. Yes, 12 o'clock during the day. After that it is noon. So 12:30 is the afternoon. So you will write PM. What you will write? PM. Then 6 o'clock in the morning.
AM.
AM. Morning. AM. Then half past 12 in the afternoon. Half past 12. Half past. Vihan. Sorry. Ananya. Ananya Chomari. Half past 12 in the afternoon. Half past 12 means what is the time?
12:30.
Very good. 12:30. Half past 12 means 12 in the afternoon. So what you will write? What you will write?
PM.
PM. Very good. Very good. Then 8:20 in the morning. Morning. 8:20 in the morning. Then now last one. Quarter to 10 at night. What you will write? Quarter to Okay, you told me night means you all get to know how to write PM, AM, you all know. Very good. All understood when to write AM and PM. Now, the seventh question is quarter to 10 at night. Means what is the time now? Tell me the regular timing of we read quarter to 10. Now what is huh? What is it? Yes. Very good, Rian and Harsha. Quarter to 10 means 9:45. It is to the next that is 10. And okay, quarter to 10 we say. So the time it will be the minute hand will be at night and the small hand that is our hand will be near 10. That is 9:45. That is quarter to 10. Understood all of you? Understood? Okay. By the time your homework is to learn the days you don't know Sunday, Monday. I know you all have learned first standard, but just revise it. We will start days of the week, then month of the year. What is yesterday, today, tomorrow? We will learn in tomorrow's class. Okay, children. Bye bye.